if you just had a breakup, consider yourself lucky. You're going to be sad at the beginning. You're obviously going to be upset. Your heart's going to be broken. You've lost someone you love. But let me tell you something really, really interesting that you're going to figure out later on. They're not that special. No. They're not particularly special. They were just there at a certain moment of your life, and it worked. It coincided. It just flowed well. It made sense at the time. People grow up. Things change. People say to me, you haven't found the one. There is no the one. There is only the one at a certain time period in your life. That person was the one at that moment. There isn't the one for your lifetime. You're connected spiritually, physically, and soulfully, and you're meant to find each other. I don't believe in that. That's fluff. It's nice to believe in it, and if you found it, hey, good for you. But I'm realistic. I live in the real world. And this is what happens in the real world. You need to find someone that you love, and you need to find someone that you're compatible with. And all the stars need to align for it to remain perfect and happily ever after, apparently people call it. You can live happily ever after. Now that you've broken up, consider yourself lucky. You can now live like me. Lovely. Don't you want to do this? Of course you do. Individualism is powerful. You can work on building yourself. You don't need someone. You just wanted someone. You are strong as an individual. Well done. You're lucky you've broken up. Now you can start working on yourself to be bigger, better, badder, smarter, richer, wiser. Whatever you need to do, you can do. Isn't it funny how when people get single, they start going to the gym again. They start working out really hard. It's funny that. And they lose themselves when they're in a relationship. They get fat, they put on weight. They don't want to look good for their partner anymore. They forgot what dressing up looks nice even feels like. Then they're single and you look at their Instagram and they're like much better looking. They've been hitting the gym because they want to attract the opposite sex. The same thing's going to happen to you. So fear not. Okay? You will rise again from the ashes. You don't need someone. You just wanted someone. And once you get better and better, you will find someone again. There will be that one for that period of time. But trust me, they weren't special. She was special. She was special, bro. She was the one for me, bro. She was special. No, she wasn't. She was the one for you at that moment, and she was special at that moment. Now it's time to move on. I feel like a breakup coach today, but I'm good at this shit. I've done it so many times. I break up with a girl every week. Literally every week. Broke up with a girl yesterday. Known her for a year, really liked her. Wasn't working out, she's a doctor. Wasn't willing to travel back and forth to suit her needs. So I'm single again. I mean, I was single in the first place. Breakups, I don't know what to call these things. I don't want to use the word situationship. That's annoying and weird. So I break up all the time. It makes me a better man and I keep going. So if you've broken up, you're lucky. You can now work on yourself. You can now build yourself back up again. Sit there and cry, it's all good. You're supposed to sit there and cry. But once you're over all that shit, you'll be better for it. I believe in you.